morning, my wonderful children. Wishing you a bright and happy day. I am Prerna ma'am. Children, in your previous sessions, you have learnt about blends and digraphs. You have also practiced them with various practice sheets which are given in your English classwork book. Today we will do some more practice sheets from English classwork book. So let's start. Children, please open page number 89 of your English classwork book. Children, let's write the date. It's 27.1.21. See, the heading is Who am I? So children, in this page, you have to see the pictures carefully and write their names. First picture is of flame. So we have to write its name. So F, then L, A, M, E, flame. F, L, A, M, E, flame. Now, next picture. Next picture is of slide. So, let's write slide. S, L, I, D, E, slide. S, L, I, D, E, slide. Now, next picture. Next picture is of drop. So, let's write D, R, O, P, drop. D, R, O, P, drop. Next picture is of broom. B, R, O, O, M, broom. B, R, O, O, M, broom. Now next picture is of crab. C, R, A, B, crab. C, R, A, B, crab. Next picture. Yes, it's clown. C, L, O, W, N, clown. C, L, O, W, N, clown. Children, please open page number 90 of your English classwork book. Now we have to do page number 90. Let's write the date. 27.1.21. The heading is Who am I? It is same as page number 89. In this page, we have to see the pictures carefully and write their names. So, first picture is of crown. C, R, O, W, N, crown. C, R, O, W, N, crown. Next picture. In next picture, there is a crack in an egg. So, we have to write C, R, A C K. Crack. C R A C K. Crack. Now next picture. It is of fly. F L Y. Fly. F L Y. Fly. Now next picture. Next picture is of ship. S H I P. Ship. S H I P. Ship. Now next picture. Next picture is of sheep. S H E E P. Sheep. S H E E P. Sheep. Now next picture. In this picture we can see the frill of the frog. So let's write frill. F R I L L. Frill. F R I L L. Frill. Children, you have to do page number 85 in your English homework book. Children, now it's activity time. Children, today we will do an interesting activity with these letters. Here we have so many letters, but some letters are not visible, which are yellow in color. Why? Yes, क्योंकि मैम ने उन्हें उल्टा रखा है. In this activity, we have to turn these letters one by one and form words with these letters. So let's start the activity. Let's turn the first letter. First letter is S. Now we have to make a word with S. So I'll take this L, then I, then D, and then E. It becomes slide. S L I D E. Slide. Now we'll turn the next letter. It's D. Then I will take this R, then U, and then M. So it becomes drum. D-R-U-M. Drum. Now let's turn the next letter. It's C. Now we have to make a word with C. So what should I take? Okay. R, then A, and then B. It becomes crab. C-R-A-B. Crab. Now we will turn the next letter. It's G. Now we have to make a word with G. So what should I take? Okay, I'll take this L, then O, then V, and then E. Glove. G-L-O-V-E. Glove. Now we will turn the next letter. It's T. Now we have to make a word with T. So I'll take this R, then A, then I, and then N. It becomes train. 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 Now we will turn the next letter. It's F. Now we have to make a word with F. So let's take this L, then A and G. It becomes flag. 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 Now we will turn the next letter. It's W. Now we have to make a word with W. So let's take H, then E, then A and T. It becomes wheat. 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 Now we will turn the last letter. It's B. So we have to make a word with B. So first place L, then A, then C and K. It becomes black. 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 Children, I hope you enjoyed today's session. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.